Hello, so here is the VxWorks binary authentication in action. I'm going to demonstrate the authentication process for the VxWorks downloadable kernel modules. And I have created an encryption-decryption key pair, and the decryption keys are compiled into my VxWorks kernel image, and this image is already loaded onto my target. I happen to be using a Freescale P4080 DS board, and this is the Power Architectures board. The binary authentication feature is available on all the VxWorks architectures, and this is the serial console for my P4080 VxWorks target. And here is the Wind River Workbench, which is the development environment for the VxWorks. So I've created a downloadable kernel module, and this is the Hello World module. It's called DKM Hello. It contains a function called hello, and I'm going to modify it a bit and then recompile it so you can see. I'm going to write I have no signature, and then I'm going to build it. Okay, so there's my project, it's built, and I'm not going to do anything else with it. I'm not going to sign it. So now let's load it. When I go into VxWorks to load the module, the VxWorks loader rejects the module because it is not signed. So it says signature validation failed. And I can't invoke hello because the module was just never loaded. So now let's sign the kernel module. I'm going to modify the function a bit, and I'm going to say I am signed. And build it. Okay, so using some tools, provided that I have access to my very secret encryption key, I can create a signature from my binary and incorporate it into my binary. So now I have a module called dkmhello out.signed, and I'll load that into my VxWorks kernel image. And it loads successfully. So can I execute the hello function? Yes, I can execute that. Okay, now let's see what happens if I modify the binary. And instead of saying hello, I'm going to take that and I'm going to go into the binary and I'm going to change the bits that say hello into something else. So I'll use a stream editor, sed, and I'm going to change everything that says hello and change it into raw. And the output of that is going to be a binary file called dkmhello.out.signed.modified. And there's my modified binary, and it has a signature and a certificate. But I've tampered with it, okay? So now let's try to float the binary. Okay, the loading process has failed. It says signature validation failed. So if I execute hello, I still have my original signed image.